While traveling towards Mecca, Guru Nanak Dev Ji reached Rohtas. He arrived here from Tilla Jogian. Tilla Jogian is about 24 kilometers from Rohtas Fort. After a long journey by foot in the summer, his disciple Mardana felt too thirsty. He requested Guru Nanak Dev Ji, "Lord, in this area, water is a rare commodity. Humans, animals, and birds all are affected by this scarcity." Guru Nanak Dev Ji then struck the earth with his cane and moved a stone, where appeared a spring of cool, clean, and fresh water, and small rivulets started running from it. This water spring is called Choa. Choa is a local word that means spring, hence this place got the name Choa Sahib. Even today, the residents of the fort use the water of this spring. About 25 years later, Sher Shah Suri built a magnificent fort adjacent to the Gurdwara. The sacred site of Gurdwara Choa Sahib Ji, showing its splendor outside Kabuli gate of Rohtas Fort, is on the bank of River Ghan. Making use of the water, the spring Sher Shah Suri built in the fort in 1541, after he removed Humayun from this territory, and with an aim to stop attacks from the Ranis, he staged his army at the camp. The spring could not be brought into the complex of the fort despite 3 attempts, as it sprang out of the fort every time. Now, it is outside the western gate of the fort. The 6th Guru, Har Gobind Ji, has also visited this Gurdwara. The chief Charat Singh made a concrete tank and a room where Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji was established. He allotted one village as property, which, however, was disaffiliated by the British regime. The Gurdwara was constructed outside Kabuli Gate. The present building was constructed in the year 1834 on the orders of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. It is a beautiful building with River Ghan on one side and the fort on the other side, with forests surrounding the remaining sides. The access to the building is from inside the fort. This shrine presents fascinating natural beauty, surrounded by Ghan stream, fort, trees, and undergrowth. The Rohtas Fort is a famous historical place of the subcontinent that is just 8 kilometers from Dina, from main GT road, and then further, just 1 kilometer, is Gurdwara Choa Sahib Ji. Maharaja Ranjit Singh assigned 27 acres of land and 260 rupees to it. A fair is held on the 15th of Katak Sudi. There are 32 windows that keep the Gurdwara enlightened for the whole day. Due to the thickness of its outer walls of 4 feet, this makes it an all-weather house. The serenity within and in the surroundings of the Gurdwara, along with its superb landscapes, makes it a unique place on earth. Due to the thickness of its outer walls of 4 feet, this makes it an all-weather house. The serenity within and in the surroundings of the Gurdwara, along with its superb landscapes, makes it a unique place on earth.